Good morning. Today we are going to start the trigonometry of class 10, in which we are doing a study about the trigonometric ratios of specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So first we take a right angle triangle in which draw a perpendicular on CX from point A. That means angle B is equal to 90 degree. But perpendicular AB is so small, that means value of perpendicular AB is equal to 0. That means the rotating ray CA is coincides at CB. That means value of CA is equal to CB is same, and angle theta is equal to 0 degree because CA is transfer on CB. That means theta is equal to 0. Here CB line and it is CA line. But after the distance is equal to 0, that means the CA line is transfer on CB line. So the CA is coincides to CB. CA and CB coincides. Now here CB is base, AB is equal to perpendicular and CA is equal to hypotenuse. तो हमने यहाँ पे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री 10th क्लास की स्टार्ट की है, जिसका चैप्टर नंबर 6 है. इसके अंदर अपन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज और उसके स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स हैं, जैसे 0 डिग्री, जिनको अपन एक्यूट एंगल भी बोलते हैं, 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री. इनकी वैल्यूज अपन फाइंड करने जा रहे हैं. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Thus the values of trigonometric ratios corresponding 0 degree will be as follows. First, here show the formula PBP upon HHA. P means perpendicular, base, perpendicular, hypotenuse, hypotenuse and base. Here sin theta is equal to P upon H, P upon H sin theta, B upon H cos theta, P upon B tan theta, and opposite side B upon P is cot theta, H upon B is sec theta, and H upon P, that means hypotenuse upon perpendicular, is equal to cosec theta. So start first sin 0 because first angle is 0 degree. So sin 0 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is equal to 0 and hypotenuse is equal to CA. That means 0 upon CA. So the value of sin 0 is equal to 0 because 0 is divided by 0. That gets result 0. Next, cos 0 degree. You know that cos 0 is equal to B upon H. That means base upon hypotenuse. Here base is equal to CA and hypotenuse. Sorry, base is equal to CB and hypotenuse is equal to CA. And we know that CA is and CB is same. That means base and hypotenuse are same. So CA, we can write CA upon CA. Result we get 1. That means the value of cos 0 is equal to 1. Now tan 0. You know that tan 0 is equal to perpendicular upon base, and perpendicular is equal to 0, base is equal to CB. 0 upon CB, 0 divided by CB, we get result 0. Next, cot 0 degree. We know that opposite B upon, that means base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. Here base is equal to CB and perpendicular is equal to 0. That means CB upon 0, we get result is infinite. That means value of cos 0 degree is equal to infinite. Now sec 0 degree, we know that sec 0 is equal to hypotenuse sec 0 and or sec theta hypotenuse upon base, hypotenuse upon base, and we know that hypotenuse is equal to CA and base is equal to CB, and CA and CB are same. That means CB is equal to CA. Cancel, we get result 1. That means value of sec 0 degree is equal to 1. And last, cosec 0 degree, sin 0 is equal to 0, cosec 0 degree is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, hypotenuse is CA and perpendicular is equal to 0. That means CA upon 0, CA is divided by 0, we get result infinite. That means value of cosec 0 degree is equal to infinite. तो हमने इस प्रकार से sin टू cosec 0 तक की एंगल्स की जो वैल्यूज है वो अपन ने फाइंड की है। इसमें अपन ने सबसे पहले फाइंड किया था sin 0 जो अपन को इरेज करना पड़ा क्योंकि ब्लैक बोर्ड थोड़ा स्मॉल है। sin 0 इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस, एंड हम जानते हैं कि यहाँ पे परपेंडिकुलर जो अपने पास था वो 0 था एंड हाइपोटेनियस CA, तो 0 को अपन ने हाइपोटेनियस से डिवाइड किया, 0 को किसी से भी डिवाइड करते हैं रिजल्ट हमें 0 ही मिलता है। सेम cos 0 इज इक्वल टू बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस था, यहाँ पे बेस और हाइपोटेनियस दोनों सेम है, इसलिए CA अपॉन CA इज इक्वल टू 1। tan 0 इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, परपेंडिकुलर के वैल्यू अपन को पता है 0 है और बेस इज इक्वल टू CB, तो 0 को किसी से भी डिवाइड को रिजल्ट हमेशा उसका 0 ही मिलता है। दैट मीन्स tan 0 इज इक्वल टू 0, cot 0 इज इक्वल टू इनफाइनाइट, sec 0 इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड cosec 0 इज इक्वल टू इनफाइनाइट। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वैल्यूज ऑफ 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree we are calculating next class. Okay.